Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a logo like this. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Enjoy watching. Before we get started, I recommend you turn on the grid to make things easier. Go to View and choose Show Grid. You can active snap to grid too. We will start with the ellipse tool. Then click Swab Fill and Stroke. Drag the object to the left, then hold Alt to copy. Select all object. Click Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt to delete. Duplicate this object because we will use it again later. Rotate the object and hold Shift so that the object is exactly 45 degrees. We're going to make a leaf bone. Use Ellipse tool and make a new circle bigger. Turn off Snap to Grid so we can move objects freely. Place the circle in the center of the object. Copy the circle. Put it in this position. Take the pen tool and draw a line at this position. We're going to make a leaf bone intersection here. Select the circle and then copy. Put it in this position. Select all object. Click Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt to delete. Delete unnecessary objects. We're going to delete this section too. Click on this section without holding Alt. Combine these parts to become one object. Congratulations, we have succeeded in making one leaf. We're going to create one more leaf here with the object we copied at the start of the video. Put it in this position, then reduce the size a little. We're going to create intersection lines here. Use the pen tool. Then make a curved line following the curve of the leaf object. Select these two objects. Then click Shape Builder tool. Erase the bottom and unnecessary lines. We're going to make a leaf bone here. Use the pen tool. Then make a curved line from the top of the object. Click on these two parts to make them two new objects. Then click Shape Builder tool and erase unnecessary lines. Congratulations, we have successfully created the outline of the leaf. Now we're going to color this logo. I've prepared a color palette here. You can use your own color, or use the one I made. I will enlarge it to make it clearer. Select this part of the object. Use the eyedrop tool. Then click on the color you want to use. Do the same with other objects. Please follow my steps in choosing the color. Set the color direction using the gradient tool. I made the lighter color on top of the logo. Do the same with other objects. We're going to make a shadow over here. Take the pen tool and draw a line from the tip of the leaf. Make it curved by following the curve of the leaf. You can randomly draw the outside. We'll just take this part. I am going to fix this curve a little bit with the direct selection tool. We're going to make a shadow over here too. Make a curved line with the pen tool. Select all three objects. Then delete the bottom. We are going to make a shadow on the leaf bone. Click the pen tool, then make a curved line from the tip of the leaf. Make a curve following the curve of the leaf bone. Select these two objects. Then delete the top part. We are going to shade the leaf bones in this part too. I will speed up the video, because the process is the same as before. Now we are going to highlight these two parts. The process is the same as when creating the leaf shadow. I will speed up the video. Congratulations, finally we have succeeded in making this leaf logo. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I hope this video helps you. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like this video. See you in my other video.